Come and knock on our door.
Come and knock on our door.
We've been waiting for you.
We've been waiting for you.
What up, everybody? It's Thursday. I'm getting ready to head off to an event in Ocean City this weekend, and I have nothing ready because I helped build a customer's frame, flew my quads, and lost them. So today's Thursday, 8 o'clock in the morning. We've got the heater fired up, and I've got to tear down my Wraith to make it look somewhat functional. It does fly, but it does need some TLC. So this is me breaking it down, getting it back to somewhat standard.
Sunny day, sweeping the clouds away. On my way.
Oh, the carnage. There's crap everywhere. 63 grams in tape. That's just the nose. 63 grams worth of weight. I've got multiple breaks in my main wing. Right here in the middle, right over here. It's flexing. It's already been broke here before, there before. We will rebuild it.
We have the technology, but I don't want to spend a lot of money.
To where the air is sweet. Can you tell me
Welders. Add some more.
how to get to
Spread it around.
how to get
You can never have too much hot glue or any kind of adhesive. I'm just saying.
how to get to Sesame Street.
It's feeling rather festive up here in the shop in a rather homeless kind of nature. Now, wait 20 minutes.
I'm Mr. Hanky, the Christmas Pooh. Season's greetings to all of you. Let's sing songs and dance and play. Now before I melt away, here's a game I like to play. Stick me in your mouth and
So here she is, all finished. Fresh tape, fresh glue, fresh spars. So I've already flown her up at the Triple F event. It flew fantastic. So it worked. Thanks to all of you who watch, subscribe, like, all of that good stuff. You guys are awesome. And to everybody, I wish you a happy Festivus and hope that Mr. Hanky comes and sees you too.
A new holiday was born. A Festivus for the rest of us.
Oh, yeah.